Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace the fan control module on Toyota Sienna. So this guy's Sienna is a 2011 model, okay, but this procedure should work on all Siennas all the way from 2010 until 2018 current year with a 3.5 engine. Okay, the 4-cylinder might be the same way as well, but I cannot guarantee for sure. We will have probably more than 200 videos taking this car apart. So if you need anything, guys, please let us know. We'll try to help you as much as we can. Give a like, okay, don't forget to follow us for more videos. So we'll be taking engine apart, everything else. So if your radiator fan doesn't work, it's very likely that it is this control module, okay, right here. That's the brain box for the fan. And you can see you have two fans, one on this side, one on the other one. Now, one thing about it is you should always do that when the car is really cold, okay, because the fan can turn on at any time, so you have to stay away. Okay, you can see, to avoid personal injury, okay, let me focus here. Okay, keep hands off the fan because they can start at any time. Now, what I would recommend, okay, just go ahead and disconnect the battery if you need to be safe. Disconnect the battery so that way the fan will not run. And you can see that control module controls the left and the right fan. And if they don't work, okay, your car will overheat, the AC will not work as well. Really complicated deal. Now, how we replace that thing? Right here on the bottom there is a thing that you press in, then you pull the wire out. Okay, let me pull this one out now. Okay, it's right here. The same thing on this side. Okay, now let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see this thing needs to be pressed in and pulled out. The same applies to the other one. You can see on top, okay, we have two screws with a 7mm socket. We need to go ahead, get them loose. One is under the main wire and one is really easy to see. And do that again, cold engine so the fan doesn't turn on. I would recommend to even disconnect the battery for your safety. And do not drive the car before you do it, because that oxygen sensor will be super hot and you can burn yourself really bad on it. Now the big wire we'll disconnect it once we remove the module. And why we do that? Because it's really tight and we cannot access it so good, so we'll try to do it after that. Okay, all the tools and parts that we use, we'll try to list them shortly after the video is uploaded in the description below. So now this thing, okay, you can see we need to press in, okay, and pull it out. And this is, guys, okay, this is the old module, okay, you can see right here, original module. So now will be the time, okay, you can check radiators here, check the connectors, make sure everything is good, okay, to make sure that you don't have any corrosion or anything like that. Everything looks clean here. Again, if your AC doesn't work or your fans do not work, the first step actually to take is to check your fuse box for the relay and for the fuse. If those are good, I'll go ahead and check the fan module as well. We'll have a video on our channel, I'll upload it soon, how to actually test that fan module to know if it's good or not. It will come very soon, so we'll just go ahead, grab the new one and do that. We'll be taking the engine apart soon for quite a few electrical videos as well. So this is the new module that we got, so we're going to go ahead, okay. All we have to do, just install it pretty much in reverse order that we took it apart. Okay, it goes in a certain way. On the bottom it has one glide that it needs to go in, otherwise it's not going to align. Okay, like that. And from that point on, all you have to do, install the 2 bolts, and after that you will need to install all 3 wires. So 2 bolts, 3 wires. If you need help with anything else, again, drop a comment below, and we'll try to make a video for a specific problem that you have. And if you disconnected your battery for safety, remember that you have to connect it again. Okay, perfect. We got them tight. Now, all we have to do, connect the wires until they click. It's very important. Listen for that click. Perfect. Make sure that they're not loose. And that's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.